All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to finally debut Manufacturing Georgia. This has been a long-awaited privilege of mine. It's finally here. It does exist. It's really just a one-stop shop that's going to revolutionize how we do workforce recruitment and retention in manufacturing in Georgia. No longer will connections be one way. Now we're making connections two-way, where now individuals can reach out to manufacturers directly and manufacturers reach out to individuals outside of job application. This is first and foremost about relationship and engagement so we can grow our future workforce. I'm going to take a few moments now to kind of walk you through a few of the platform's capabilities, if you will, so you kind of get a small demonstration of the benefits. For me personally, I'm really excited for the first time that we are making manufacturing statistics readily available at your fingertips so that you can know all things manufacturing in Georgia, including what are the top occupations that we're posting for, what are their entry level requirements as far as degrees, what is the pay ranges, if you will. And not only that, you now have a place to where you can specifically request manufacturing data for your regions. And we at Manufacturing Georgia will provide that for you. Additionally, Manufacturing Georgia will have an About Us section where you can learn more about the founding partners, the visionary behind it, where we anticipate it going in the future. But then also here you can see all the information that's publicly available. To date, we already have over 64 manufacturers on the platform where we want to show people where they're located in the state. But what I'm most excited about this platform, it's going to meet people where they're at. So this is my imaginary friend, George Allen, that's doing this search right now. He lives in Cartersville. He just graduated high school. So he's putting in Cartersville and is interested in manufacturers that are located in about a 30-mile radius of where he lives. Now this platform will pull that up, show him all those manufacturers. And he just graduated high school. He is going on to college, but he's looking for a work-based learning experience too. So as he learns, he can also gain skills. Look at there, Shaw around him is offering an opportunity. He clicks on Shaw, learns more about the company. Shaw has an opportunity to tell their story, to virtually open their doors to the public and give virtual tours, if you will. Learn about their culture and benefits. This is very important because for this up-and-coming generation, they really care about social causes and what the company's doing to better the economy and society. So here you can see why Shaw is different from others. Click on jobs. Here you can go to see what jobs are available, and you'll see that first one is actually the co-op opportunity that he might be a good fit for. So he clicks on it, and here he can learn about all the requirements, the responsibilities, the expectations, what Shaw's looking for, when does this co-op start. And keep in mind, everything that you've seen now is available to the public. You do not have to have a profile on our platform to do all this. But my friend, George Allen, has already created an account, and so he's logging into his profile. And here the system automatically uploads his resume if he's interested in submitting for it. But he's not quite confident yet to apply. So what he'd like to do next is reach out to a representative at Shaw. So again, he hasn't applied for anything or what have you, and he's just messaging them and saying, I just graduated Cartersville High School, and I'm looking for a work learning experience. I'm interested in learning more about your co-op opportunity. Can you please send me some more information? This is the part where we're talking about, this is about relationship and engagement. There's no expectation. This is about just engaging now with our future workforce. And so now, when he sends that message, he can then see in his communications tab all the communications he's had with manufacturers, just perusing.